so cloudy. I don't like the rain. Am I the only one? A lot of people love the rain, but girl, today I could have slept until 2, 3 o'clock. Like, that's how dark and rainy it is. I'm like, I don't want to get up today, but I was like, you know what? I gotta film. I gotta do a makeup look. So I was like, wake up. You know, like, maybe tomorrow if it rains again, I'm gonna sleep early. But no, seriously. I don't know, it's because rain, it makes me like feel lazy, stay in, sleep in. Even if I sleep 8 hours, not even then, like you can't go do anything outside, it's dark, it doesn't look pretty, you fall, slip, you have to bring an umbrella, your hair gets big, your hair gets poofy, like unless you're at home all day and you can sleep in, then yeah, but if you have to go places, oh no, I don't like the rain. It's everybody I've met love the rain. Even the smell doesn't smell good. To me it smells like sneeze, but to each their own. I don't really hate the rain, like I hate the rain, but I just don't like it. It's just like right now I hear it, and I don't like when it thunders either. Like I can't go to sleep. I'm like tossing and turning because it's so loud. But if it's like small driplets of rain, like chispeando, I don't know how to say it in English, then yeah, I can handle it. But when it's raining or pouring, like no. But anyways, I like doing unboxings because I get to talk more about myself and, you know, make it more interesting, because whenever I do makeup tutorials, I usually don't talk. So anyway, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing of another giveaway. This one I'm so excited for because these are colored lashes. And I've been wanting to try their lashes, their colored lashes, since like, what, a few months ago? And I can't believe they did a giveaway and I wanted it. And I want to use it today. But okay, I'm just gonna open it. It came like this. It's from Pastry Lash on Instagram. It says the best things in life are sweet. Okay. Their packaging is cute and girly. It's pastelly. Look, it's like pink and blue and purple. It's pretty. So okay, it comes with enjoy 20% off with your code. Okay, y'all can use this code. I'm not gonna use it. You see the color lashes, they look really pretty. Anyways, yeah, use the code because I'm not gonna use it. I don't think they're gonna get or get mad if somebody else uses it. They're gonna be like, ooh, somebody bought lashes. They won't care. I don't care. But they don't care. I don't know. Not I don't care. I don't. Okay, anyways. So, just 2. I thought it was more. I really thought it was more in the picture. I don't know. I'm probably mistaken. So look, the packaging is blue and it comes like a cardboard box. It says canary free. Like, how cute. I sing, like icing that you eat. Okay, there's clever. Alright, I like that. So I don't know how to open it. I guess from here. I don't want to rip it. Yeah, it's from here. That's pretty neat. I haven't seen this packaging or buy it before. It's really nice. Sorry, I always get like I can't talk. What's it called? I get gallos. I don't know how to say it in English, but whatever. Okay, so the pink lashes, they're so pretty. I'm so excited. There's like hot pink, like neon pink. They feel soft. I don't know if they're cruelty free again. I didn't check. Oh, never mind. There's 3 lashes. I thought it was 2. There's more. Oh, 4. Wow. Yeah, I was like, I remember it was more than 2. Okay. This other one is the same packaging. I think all of them look the same. So, oops, I ripped this one because I want to do it fast. Okay. Ooh, this one is gonna be my favorite. Alright, I already know. Look, it's a blue one. Ooh, these with snowflake. These for the holidays. These look amazing. When I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, I want it so bad. It's blue, baby blue. Oh, the name. Okay, I'm just gonna keep opening the boxes. I think this is my favorite. I don't know. This is, yeah, I think, or second favorite. Dun, da, da, da. Lime green. Oh man, when I was like a preteen or a teenager, my favorite colors were lime green and turquoise. So my room was literally blue and green. I still love blue and green. They're my favorite colors. But lime green, neon green, oh my gosh. Like I'm wearing lime green. And you see, but also starting to love red a lot now. And yellow. So blue, green, red, and yellow are my favorite colors. But the top 2, I would say blue and green. You see, they're really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna open the last one. Oh, I think these ones are the ones in the picture. Yeah, this is cool. It looks like highlights, but in lashes it's purple, but the ends have pink. And they're the more dramatic and volumized. They look really pretty. Look. Wow. I love it. This is my 3rd favorite, and then the pink ones are my 4th favorite. I can't get over these. I'm so excited. I want to use it in a lot of looks, but I feel like it's gonna be, they're gonna get dirty fast and gonna rip of me using it so much. So that's why I feel like I won't be able to. But oh my god, I want to use it in every look. But yeah, that's basically it. Oh no. There's lip balm or Spooly. Oh my god, when I was a kid I used to buy these. She's probably my age, around my age. She's probably in her 20s. But look, the cute little bag. Let me open. I used to have the same one, watermelon flavored lip balm. I think it's from the same brand. I remember I used to have this as a kid. They had like other colors and flavors. I believe I forgot. I can't believe they still sell these. I thought I think I would buy it like at the dollar store as a kid. I don't know. Because since I was a kid, I loved makeup or beauty related things. Let me try and open it. Yeah, it smells the same. Oh, this one smells stronger than I remember. I remember it was cheaper. I feel like it was in a Sprite pink. It was like a lighter pink. It smells really good. I love watermelon flavored things too. And the fruit. It feels soft. Wow. I feel like a kid again. Because this is what I will use. I don't have kids, so I'm gonna be using kid stuff. I don't care. It's fun. It's like, look, they made my lips look a little more plump and pinky. Oops. Don't remember. Oops. I think I dunked it way too low, but I kind of remember. I don't know where they buy these at now. I want to ask her, but I don't know. She's gonna think, oh no, you're gonna steal my business idea. But no, I really want to see where these are Okay. Oh yeah, and then the last thing was the spoolie. I don't use spoolies. I think these are made for when you clean them. I don't clean them with water. I don't clean them with. I just clean the band. This is probably gross, but I remember when I would submerge it in water, the lashes will rip, and ever since then, I was like, I'm not risking ripping my good lashes, so I just take the the glue from the lash band right here where you apply it. That's it. And they're probably still dirty. They're not fully clean, but I don't want to rip them. I can't afford that right now. So if y'all know a good way to clean your lashes without leaving them in water all day, let me know. Because and not just peeling the glue and putting it on, like no, like an actual lash routine cleaning or something, or tips for it not to rip when you're cleaning them. I don't know. I would love to know. Okay, so that's basically it. Yeah, so I hope y'all like this little unboxing. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.